Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a yellow cake with chocolate topping. So the first step is going to be mixing the butter into the sugar. So we're going to cream those two together, and once that's all mixed up well, we're going to set that to the side and get started on our next step. The next step will be adding your egg and your egg yolk into the mixer and mixing those together. Now, you're going to take your butter mixture and incorporate that into your egg mixture and mix that until it's smooth. Once it's smooth, you will also incorporate your vanilla, and this is what it will look like. Alright guys, so here's a view of what we got here, okay? Alright, so you want to scrape down the sides of your bowl so that you make sure you're getting everything mixed in well. In this bowl that I have, I combined the first 4 ingredients: flour, baking powder, soda, and salt. Next, you will incorporate some of your flour, about 1/4 of it, and mix that until it's well combined, and keep doing this continuously, rotating between the buttermilk and flour. And once you get halfway with the flour mixture, you're going to scrape down the sides so that we make sure that everything is well mixed. And then you're going to continue that same notion of mixing the flour and some of the buttermilk until it's all finished. Alright guys, so here is what your mixture should look like. For this particular cake, I'm going to be doing cupcakes. You can do a round cake if you like. You will need your cupcake pan and some cupcake liners to finish this off. And we're going to be placing these into the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes until it's done. Alright guys, let's fill them up halfway and place them in the oven. Now that the cupcakes are out the oven and have cooled for about 15 minutes, we're going to be placing some icing into the bag and piping them, because I will be using this cupcakes for a project on my next video, so make sure you stay tuned and look out for that video. Here you have it guys, so stay tuned for that next video.